Brain dominance test. Are you left or right brain dominant? This test will help you understand which brain you use the most. Nobel laureate Roger Sperry came up with this brain dominance theory. All of us have two parts of the brain, the left and the right. The theory claims that we all operate from one part of the brain slightly more than the other, and that is what makes us brain dominant. The significant part is that both brains have different kinds of thinking, different kinds of actions, and different characteristics. So let's find out. Everyone is said to prefer one type of thinking over the other. Either it's from the left part of the brain or from the right side of the brain. Our right brain is responsible for expression, for creative work, and also called as the emotional brain. Our left brain is responsible for logic, analytical thinking, language, and also it is called as the rational brain. Depending on the brain dominance, we behave, we think, and we act very differently depending upon the dominance. So, which one are you? Let's find out. Here are 9 questions, and you have 9 seconds to answer each one of them. You should not overthink, answer spontaneously. Get a pen and paper, it will help you track your answers and finally get the result. Are you ready? Question number 1. I would prefer option A, solving fun puzzle or math problem. Option B, playing music or drawing. Question number 2. It is easier for me to remember people by their names, their faces. Question number 3. Fold your hand. Which thumb is on the top? Option A, right. Option B, left. Question number 4. When taking a test, which style of questions do you prefer? Objective, that is true or false or multiple choice one, or subjective, that is open for discussion. Which one do you prefer? Question number 5. Cross your legs. Which leg is on the top? Right or left? Question number 6. When you listen to a new song, you're more interested in the lyrics or in the melody or the music or the rhythm? Question number 7. Based on your opinion, do you have a good imagination? A, no. B, yes. Question number 8. Which direction the dancer is spinning? A, clockwise. B, anti-clockwise. Question number 9. Usually I judge something based on A, logical reason that came up to my mind. B, my feelings towards that thing. Time to check those answers. So what did you get more? A's or B's? If you've got more A's than the B, then you are left brain dominant. You are a logical person, planner, rational, you love puzzles, and you are also an analytical thinker. If you've got more B's, then you are a right brain dominant. You are a creative person, intuitive, very emotional, you love art, and you are a free thinker. So, which one are you? Send in your answers in the comments below, and we'll help you find out how you can become whole brain. Yes, get the power of the left as well as the right at the same time.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin. I use games, activities and exercises to teach life skills and study skills to young champions. Do subscribe to our channel, it'll help us, motivate us to make good content like this one. Thank you so much.